So eBay is definitely a get out what you put in sort of situation. If you are not listing and you are not sourcing, you are not going to get the results that you want. This is definitely not passive income, and I guarantee you that you will see slow in sales, and you will not, well, if any, you're going to get any sales, but you're definitely going to see a slow in sales if you're not continuously listing and sourcing. This is very much true for all reselling platforms. If you're not posting anything to sell, you are not going to sell anything. That's just common sense, right? So because of that, I've actually been a little slow in my listing and in my selling, just because I haven't listed any new items. I have stuff on there that's selling, but most of the stuff I already have on there. So every day, every now and then, whenever I have time, I hit my local Goodwills, and every now and then it's just the same exact things. Every so often they get some new stuff, but not really too much new inventory. So around Christmas time, I had a family member who was really into thrift stores and shopping at thrift shops, so I decided to get her a Goodwill gift card. So, you know, around Christmas time, usually people, at least I do, I take a whole day and I just get all my shopping done, try to get it all out of the way, or most of it out of the way, and that's what I was doing. It just so happens that the mall I was at, it was in a different area code, in a different county, even though it was only 30 minutes away, like the lines cross where it just crosses the next county and you're in a different, like, county altogether. So to save time, I stopped by the nearest Goodwill there so I can get the gift card and get it out of the way and get my shopping done. Now, for the record, my family member doesn't live in this county. She lives 30 minutes south where I am at. So the county in the Goodwill that I was at, the gift card was only available to be used in that county and all of its northern and surrounding counties. So $50 later, after I already got the gift card, she told me at the end of it that it's only be used and it's non-refundable and it can only be used around these counties. I'm looking at a $50 gift card that I basically have no use for. So divine intervention or luck, whatever you want to call it, it led to this video. Hopefully this is an opportunity to interject some new life, a new opportunity, some new items for my eBay store. So yes, without further ado, welcome to the $50 Goodwill Challenge. Now, before we do anything, we have got to go get our coffee. I'm more of a Dunkin' type of guy, so I don't know if you guys would drop down below, drop a like for Dunkin' if you guys like Dunkin'. If you're a Starbucks person, get out. Let's go get our coffee, then get on the road. Totally forgot that I have this package that I gotta drop off. So we're going to the post office first, then we're gonna get our coffee, then we're gonna go to Goodwill, then we're gonna make some money. But yeah. Woo, this coffee hitting, boy. But yeah, we're gonna be hitting the post office right now. Maybe hit Plato's Closet. I got a bunch of stuff from the move that, you know, I'm trying to get rid of, so maybe we hit there. But let's just switch to some B-roll. All right, so we're at the first Goodwill store. Now, I've been here many times to this one, and this is notoriously an overpriced Goodwill store, but I am determined to get something today at this store. We're gonna make some profit here. So let's just go inside and see what we find. Like I said, they're really overpriced, like on everything, on shoes, on electronics. Like electronics are like 40 bucks at times. But like I said, we're gonna find something good. Let's just go inside. right, guys, so I promised you I was gonna find something today, even though everything was overpriced. But the only thing that wasn't overpriced were the clothes, sort of. Now I did find, like I said, well, I didn't say it, but I did find this. I can't get it over. Dang, I can't grab it. I did find this Patagonia puffer jacket for $20.99. I did have to pay up a little bit for it, but some sold comps right here. They're looking at about 90, between like 80 and like $100+ plus shipping. So, you know, I'm definitely gonna make some good money on that. It's like 60, 70 bucks. Also picked up this Lacoste sweater, zip up sweater sort of thing. Surprisingly, all of the sweaters and this, because the Patagonia was boutique, all the sweaters were $5.19. I didn't find anything else but $5.19. So I sold comps right here. They were looking like $30, $40 sort of. So about, let's just call it $100 profit already. So let's go to the next one. Hopefully that's some good stuff. I have $28.99 left on this challenge. So $28.99, put it right there. Let's see what else we can get and round out this challenge and maximize our profits. All right, so after our pretty heavy lunch, it was pretty delicious though, we're at our next Goodwill location. I have never been to this one, so kind of exciting. Maybe it's a disappointment, who knows, but let's go inside. Hopefully it's as good as the first one, maybe even better. Let's try to waste the rest of the gift card here. All right, we are at the final Goodwill location. You can't really see the sign. It's a really small one, but the other place didn't really have anything. It's getting close to 6 o'clock. That's what I don't know if that's everywhere, but at least here in Florida, that's how all of our Goodwills close. So this is definitely going to be the final stop for today. Hopefully we can find something here, because who knows when we'll come back, when I have time to come back here. So we're trying to waste all the $28 here on something. Let's hope that this video ends well, and let's just go inside and hopefully we find some good profits in there. All right, guys, we just wrapped up the $50 Goodwill challenge. Let's get back to the house. I'm going to show you, break down everything that we got, what exactly, how much we can make and how much we spent and all that. But let's just go there right now. Let me show you what I got. Just completed the $50 Goodwill challenge. Let's go ahead and flip you guys around and show you exactly what I got. All right, so for $50, you know, you either gotta go big or go home. So you guys know, I already showed you, but at the first stop we got this Lacoste sweater, sort of like a business casual men's sweater. We got that for $5. Here's some sold comps right here. I'm pretty sure. Oh, sorry, the camera bugged out on me for a second. We got this Patagonia jacket as well. That one we paid up for a little bit. It was $20, but little Patagonia right there. Let's focus on that Patag G right there. Here's some sold comps. Should be around $100. Maybe turn on best offer, see what we can get after that. But I also picked up at the last Goodwill this Chi iron. Sold comps have it around like 50 bucks, so I paid $5.99 for that. So pretty good pickup there. I also got these Brooks shoes, these right there, some DNA shoes. They're pretty good. They don't really need much cleaning. They have a little wear right there, but other than that, that was the only thing, so it should be fine. Then the last thing we picked up was these Teva sandals. I think these are women's sandals. They don't really need much cleaning. The bottoms are pretty clean. Like, there's not much we gotta do to these. Put these up. Sold comps around 30, 40 bucks. We picked those up for $5. All right, guys, so let's go over exactly how much we spent, how much we're gonna make, and after all expenses, how much profit we're gonna be left with at the end of the day. Okay, so gross is looking at around $250 for everything. We spent $48.19. That's gonna leave us with $201.81. Shipping is gonna be roughly $30. So after all that, maybe fees, we're looking at $151.98. So 150 bucks. Tripled our money, right? 50, yeah, double, tripled our money. So it was a really successful challenge. It was really fun. I challenge you guys to try to spend as little money as you can. Take a $20 bill, take 40 bucks, 50 bucks, and go to a Goodwill, a thrift store, and try to make this happen. And easily replicable. Just get stuff in your home, guys. It's really easy. Just pull stuff from your closet, throw it on eBay, throw it on Facebook. Reselling is not that hard. It's a lot of fun as well. Yeah, guys, I appreciate you coming on this journey with me and you enjoyed this video, found it entertaining or helpful in any way. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe for future videos. Turn on notifications. Again, we are doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, so please make sure you have those notifications on. Information will be coming. Just make sure you have notifications on, subscribe, and like. That's going to be it for today's video. Also, follow me on Instagram. DM me any questions that you have. Like if someone's trying to scam you, anything, I will answer eventually. I will get to you, I promise. So Instagram is definitely the best way to message me or get in contact with me. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I will see you on the next one.